Are you taking NMAT? Have you registered yourself for NMAT? Then the question which is there in your mind is, how many attempts should I take for NMAT? Ideally, one attempt is sufficient if you are looking for, number one, only NMIMS campuses. You want to avoid extra fees and expenses. One attempt will take care for your NMIMS campus. But don't forget, if NMIMS is not the target B school and there are other target B schools, you are looking to apply to KJ Somaiya, you are looking to apply to other allied business schools like Universal AI, BMU, ITM, you are looking to apply some specific programs of SPJIMR, you are looking to apply for various other private universities, then second attempt or third attempt could be a good deal. But I advise first attempt only for NMIMS target test takers, dreamers. Two attempts, if you think कि पहले वाले का स्कोर मैं थोड़ा सा बढ़ा सकता हूं और इतना बढ़ा सकता हूं कि अच्छे जो अलाइड हैं उनकी रेंज में आ जाऊंगा. So 1/2 is the answer in one word. 1 conditional, 2 conditional. This is exactly what you have to keep in mind while answering this question. How many attempts of NMAT should I take? Thank you guys. Keep liking us. We will be adding value to you. Thank you.